First, draw your required design. Start sewing on all the lines. So now you can see I have completed the sewing of both the shapes. Now we will cut along these lines. Hold it like this and cut it. Okay. So now ये हमने कट finished we are cutting. Now ये slits लगा देंगे चारों. Okay. So now you can see I have cut it done. Okay. And slits are also done on all the sides. All the four sides you have to complete your slits. Iron it. So you can see both the designs are ready. Now take the patch fabric. Okay. Now take your patch fabric and keep it on this, and now you will start stitching the boundaries. Now keep a dial on SS. I'll be selecting G. Okay, so G. Now when you come on corners, keep the needle inside and turn it around like this. Okay, and then once again you have to start stitching. And adjust the width. So you can see finally it's completed, and now from back side we have to trim the extra fabric. So you can see I trimmed it out, and finally it's completed.